Gonna be one he likes. Hey Freya, you're so early today. Hmm? Oh, Kira, I'm sorry. Welcome back. It is my bad. Another leg. Just being right there. You're supposed to do your housework. Hmm. Perfect. And now, let's do the other decor. Over 20 sets. Oh, thank you, Kiki. Thanks a lot. Here's a poster. And I promise you're gonna receive your stickers ASAP. Yeah, my Mia is back. The next part, let me see. Gonna be just plant. Okay. Here and there. Hello, Mia. Is there so many to do? I know it. Before I just grab a lot of sticker packs. It would take some time to finish them all. Okay, okay. Hello, Angelella, welcome back. We just need a lamp here. Okay, perfect. And not long time, yes. Finally, she's back. Where's my mouth? Okay. Where's the computer's mouth? Weird. Oh no, you feel sick? Maybe because of the cold weather, I guess. I know, it's so hard to control. Especially a week, there are so many new arrivals. Kind of chilly. So guys, don't forget to tap. Today at 100k likes, I'm gonna do the zombie set. And 100k. A scary zombie is on the way. Yes. So excited for that. Another plant. Thanks for following, guys. That's so nice. So if I have any new faces, you can tap down hi to me. Let's do the left part. Gonna be a huge bed. Let's go. For this bed. Oh. Okay. Yes. Perfect. My old nails is back. Oh. And their family picture. Almost 5k likes. Thank you, everybody. It's so cute. Eh? Oh my god, this cat looks so cozy and elegant. Yes, this cute kitty. Why there's Christmas tree decor? I'm still waiting for Christmas 2026. I know it's too early. Well, I'm looking forward to it. Hey, Kissy. How are you? But we're crying so hard. And that person says, yeah. We need a normal tree. Oh no, guys. I think there's a thing missing, yes? Hey, what is that? I'm this girl. And this is me every single day. This is my dream. Doing nothing. Just playing on my phone on my bed. Wait. The last part. It's TikTok. Okay. Then guys, and my first set is finished. Let's do the next one.